Okay, students, today we will do practice of error omission. So get ready for that. You do this error omission side by side and send me answers in chat box also. Okay, type your answers in chat box. So first error omission that I am going to discuss with you, that is old chief Co stood on bank and gazed consuming curiosity at the winged demon. He turned the resident and asked many questions about plane. It is bird, he inquired. So I'm going to solve first for you. Afterwards you will be solving. Okay. Old chief Co stood on bank and gazed dash consuming. So what will be there? Gazed dash consuming. So what will here come? Gazed with consuming. Okay. Curiosity at the winged demon, he turned the resident. He turned to. He turned to the resident and asked many questions about dash plane, about the plane, about the plane. It is bird. It is a bird. Okay. So this is the way you have to insert one word, correct word before and after the word. Where word is missed, so you have to insert correct word. So in first gazed with, then turned to, then about the plane, it is a bird. Okay. Now let's do. Now let's do second. Joyfulness keeps the heart face young. A young laugh us better friends with ourselves and everybody else and puts us into closer touch with is best in our life. So joyfulness keeps the heart face. Tell me what will come between heart and face. Hurry up. Start sending me message in chat box. What will come? What will come between heart and face? What will come between heart and face? Yes. And very good. Joyfulness keeps the heart and face young. A good laugh dash us. A good laugh dash us. What will come in place of dash us? Hurry up. A good laugh dash us better friends. Who is going to tell me? Very good, Ekjot. Very good, makes. A good laugh makes us better friends with ourselves and everybody us. Everybody dash us. What will come here? Everybody dash us. What will come here? A good laugh makes us better friends with ourselves and everybody dash us. Everybody? No, no, around us. Everybody around us and put us into closer touch with dash is best in our life. Touch with dash is best in our life. Tell me, I will be considering that student the intelligent one who will be telling me this. Closer touch with dash is in our life. Very good, Jayati. Very good. What? With what is best in our life. Clear? So this is clear. Shall I move to third? Very good, bache. So I'm going to move to third. Okay, there are various entry points dash India. There are various entry points dash India. What will come? In India. In India. There are various entry points dash India. In India or into India? Tell me. In India or into India? There are various points into India. Yes, you have sent me in India. In place of in, write down into. Beta, it you will be improving it with practice. If you do more and more practice of error finding, error omission, and gap filling, you will be becoming well versed in that. You will be becoming comfortable in that. So do maximum practice. Participate. There are various entry points dash India into India. And I'm writing your names side by side, those who are participating in class. But most foreigners tend to land dash Delhi. Tend to land, but most foreigners tend to land Delhi. Hurry up, tell me what will come. There are various entry points into India, but most foreigners tend to land dash Delhi. What will come? Land in Delhi. Very good, Dhiren Mahajan. Very good. And a good many of head to the main. And a good many of dash. Many of dash head to the main bazaar. Many of dash. What will come here? And a good many of dash head to the main bazaar. Many of, tell me, many of, I have given you hint also. Yes, very good, Jasleen Khosla, very good. These all are active participants of my class. Now I'm going to wake other students, those who are sleeping in my class, those who are not participating at all, I'm going to ask them. So good many of them head to the main bazaar is India's main bazaar dash is India's busiest street. After bazaar, what will come? Head to the main bazaar dash in India's busiest street. Very good, Jayati. Very good. She is the first one to send me correct answer, which is okay. So now check it. There are various entry points into India, but most foreigners tend to land in Delhi, and a good many of them head to the main bazaar, which is India's busiest street. Clear, bachche? Now let's move to next one. When you eat chocolate, when you eat chocolate, what will be there? When you eat chocolate, Jayati is sending me correct answer. What about others? When you eat chocolate, yes, when you eat a chocolate, okay. When you eat a chocolate, a chemical called serotonin released. A chemical called serotonin. Very good, Dhiren, is released. Yes, Jayati, Dhiren, they are sending correct answer. Called serotonin is released in brain, making you feel good. Making you feel good. According, sorry, when you eat a chocolate, a chemical called serotonin is released in dash brain. What will come here? In In dash brain. Renuka. Renuka, your answer is very good. In the. Good. In the brain. Making you feel good according dash research. According dash research. According. Now I'm going to ask any of the child in my class according dash research. Yes, Ritik Kapoor, you tell me this answer. Parmeet Singh, you tell me this answer. According dash research. What will be the right answer here? Type in chat box. According dash research. Yes, hurry up. Type in chat box. Daljit has sent me right answer. Nitya, very good. Yes. Yes, according. What will come? Hurry up, type in chat box. According to. Yes. According to. Clear? Yes, according to. So all are sending correct answer. Now let's move to fifth one. Now let's move to fifth one. Fifth is one day the prince decided to a worldwide trip. One day the prince decided to a worldwide trip. Decided to, yes, hurry up, decided to go. Yes, go is also right. Take is also right. Some students have sent me take. This is also correct answer. Go is also correct answer. Visit, yes, bache. Visit is also correct answer. You can mention anything. Decided to go, decided to take, or decided to visit. A worldwide trip. But here visit has again come, so don't write down visit here. One day the prince decided to take a or to go a worldwide trip to visit many foreign lands, become acquainted. To visit many foreign lands. After lands, what will come? To visit many foreign lands, dash become. To become. To become acquainted. Acquainted means to know. Okay. Acquainted with their people, he took a large number. He took a large number of servants. After he, what will come? He took a large number of servants and slaves to ensure comfort. He also took. Okay. He also took a large number of servants and slaves to ensure dash comfort. Hurry up, what will come? He also took to ensure his comfort, their comfort. Yes, their comfort. Okay, and slaves to ensure their comfort. His comfort is also correct. Their comfort. Okay. Now, sixth one. Jerry was most celebrated troublemaker in his town. Jerry was, yes, very good. Very good. Yes, Jerry was the. Yes. With superlative degree, we will be using the. Jerry was the most celebrated troublemaker in his town. Teachers literally cringed when dad saw. Bache, there will be 4 marks for this error finding or error omission. So do it very, very carefully. If you do it carefully, you can score full marks in that. And it requires only a practice. Yes. So answer will be yes, they. Okay, so first the, second they. Teachers literally cringed when they saw his name posted on their classroom lists for for next semester. For next semester. Yes. What will be the answer of third? For the next semester. Yes. For the next semester. But Jerry was loved his classmates. Jerry was loved his classmates. Very good, Divya. Divya is the first one. Jayati is the second one. Dhiren, yes, third one. So Jayati, Dhiren, all are sending me correct answer. Daljit, very good. So loved, yes, by. So fourth answer will be by. Okay, loved by his classmates. Clear? Now let's do seventh. Yes, we have to correct 4 errors because there is error in every line. Okay. So seventh, the spirit, patriotism, sacrifice. Very good, Jayati. Jayati is the first one to send me correct answer. Yes, the spirit of. Yes, you have to find out these 4 errors, and for that you are going to score full marks, 4 marks for that. Okay, suppose it is asked in your paper, how will you solve? You can judge yourself. Suppose it is asked of 4 marks in your paper, so you just judge yourself that how much well versed you are in this, how much well versed you are in this. The spirit dash patriotism, the spirit of patriotism, sacrifice and service towards country, towards, okay, our country, that is also right. The country is also right. Both are right. Towards the country, towards our country, must guide our lives. Must guide our lives. After lives, what will come? After lives, what will come? You can judge yourself, beta. Your answers are wrong. No. No. Not even a single student has sent me this correct answer, third. So you can judge yourself that you are well versed, you're perfect in doing error omission or not. You require a lot of practice. That's why I'm going so slow with this error finding and omission. But you read this sentence carefully. No. Simple word was that and should. And simple. The spirit of patriotism, sacrifice and service towards our country or towards the country must guide our lives and should inspire us. What will come after us? Yes, Jayati, very good. Inspire us to. Yes, inspire us to. Okay. So, bache, we have discussed seven error omissions today. So, afterwards, I am going to take some of the examples of error editing. So, get ready for that. Show your enthusiasm to solve it. So, bache, now I have taken these 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th example of error editing. 1 to 4 we have discussed on that day. So, let's discuss editing in this. I have told you on that day also that there will be 2 columns, incorrect word and correct word. So, you have to write down incorrect word, then against that you have to write down correct word. Okay. Father's Day was celebrated. What will come in place of was? Underline incorrect word and write down in place of was what is the correct word. Yes, it will be is. Yes. Father's Day is celebrated throughout a word, but sadly enough. But throughout a word, what will come in place of a? Father's Day is celebrated throughout. Very good, Daljit, Jasleen Khosla. Very good. The. So throughout the world, but sadly enough, the day have been commercialized. The day have been. It is a singular. Yes. So for singular, we are supposed to use has. So the day has been commercialized and children celebrates and children, yes, s will be omitted. Clear? Because with plural we are supposed to use verb first form. Clear, bache? Now in this way, if you do it carefully, you can score full marks in editing. Now let's move to 6. Indian culture is deeply rooted family values. Indian culture is deeply rooted. In place of is, what will come? It is an incorrect word. No, but it is an incorrect word. What will come in place of is? Indian culture is. In place of is, what will come? Who is the intelligent one? Tell me, hurry up. Indian culture is deeply rooted. Has. Jaiti, you were very much close. Has. Indian culture has deeply rooted family values. Parents make enormous sacrifices. Parents make enormous sacrifices of their children. In place of what will come? Parents make enormous sacrifices. Yes, for their children. Very good. You do it, you will enjoy doing it. You will want more and more practice of that if you solve it side by side. Yes. Arzu, where were you? Now you are participating. Where were you, Beta? Earlier you were not participating in my class. What happened? So children consider it his duty. Children consider it, yes, in place of is, what will come? There, yes, Their. Write down spellings carefully. Children consider it their duty to take care of an aged parents. Take care of an aged parent. Have you listened that word? Of an aged parents. No, aged parents. I have given you hint also, bache. Aged, yes, aged, aged. You will be adding D with that. Clear? Now let's move to 7th. The Kumbh Mela of 2013 in Prayag is called. The Kumbh Mela of 2013 in Prayag is called. Wait. So the Kumbh Mela of 2013 in Prayag is called. There is no error in that line. The Maha Kumbh Mela. As this came, in place of came, what will come? In place of came, what will come? Yes, comes. Yes, comes. The Kumbh Mela of 2013 in Prayag is called the Mahakumbh Mela as this comes after 144, after 12 cycles of 12 years each. I cannot think anyone. I cannot think anyone who was. In place of cannot, what will come? I. In place of can, what will come? Yes, very good, Jayati. I do not think. Yes. I do not think anyone who was alive today. Who was alive today. You read it carefully now, you will find out the error very quickly. Who was alive today. In place of was, what will come? Who? Yes, is alive today. Can witness this next Mahakumbh Mela. Can witness this. In place of this, what will come? In place of this, what will come? The. Very simple, Ekjot, very good. So the. Now you are enjoying to do it. Now let's move to 8th. One morning the Nawab called his master. One morning the Nawab called. Yes. Bache, you will be able to do with practice. Those who are participating and sending me correct answer. So that's really good. So one morning the Nawab called his minister and said him, in place of said, what will come? Yes, very good, Daljit. In place of said, what will come? Told. And told him, I wanted the length. I wanted. In place of wanted, what will come? I wanted the length. Very good. Yes. I want. Yes, I want the length and breadth from the earth measured. In place of from, what will come? From the earth measured. Yes, of. Very good. Jayati and Dhiren are the first one to send me correct answer. So its answer will be of. Okay. So in this way you will be able to do editing. Now I'm going to take some of the examples of gap filling. See, in gap filling, it will be asked in the form of, it can be asked in the form of MCQs. So get ready for that, beta. So, bache, I have shared one screen with you. On that, gap filling is given. 4 MCQs are given and you have to choose correct MCQ in that. Okay, you have to put a tick mark, and by putting correct tick mark, you can score 4 marks. Such kind of gap filling can be also asked in your grammar part. Okay, so error finding we have done, error omission we have done. So let's practice of gap filling. Some people are lucky enough never to fall sick, but most dash us. Most of, to, among, in. What is the correct answer? Hurry up. Most of. Okay. Most of us have to go dash a doctor. Most of us have to go dash a doctor. Into a doctor, with a doctor, to a doctor, or for a doctor. Go. Hurry up. Go to a doctor. Yes. Third is the right answer. Go to a doctor. Except in emergencies, it is customary dash a patient. It is customary when with to for. Yes, very good. For a patient. Yes. For a patient. To take dash appointment. To take an appointment, a appointment, the appointment, or any appointment. Yes, to take an appointment. So you have to read it very, very carefully and you have to insert correct option. You have to put a tick mark only on the correct option. Okay. Now let's move to second. Akbar dash waiting for. Akbar was, went, is, or wasn't. Akbar is, so surprised. Akbar was, yes. Akbar was waiting for Birbal's answer. Birbal said, Your Majesty, thoughts in the mind, the thoughts in the mind, the thoughts in the Raghav, I'll take your doubt, wait. The thoughts in the mind are. Okay, Raghav wants to say something. Okay, Raghav, just let me finish this, then afterwards I'll take your doubt. So, Your Majesty, the thoughts in the mind are, okay, are the fastest to travel. In a moment, you are in this court and your next thought can be anywhere else in this world. So thoughts dash, not thoughts, thought dash. Thought is, yes, you have to put correct. You have to take a correct answer. Thought is the fastest thing dash the world. Fastest things dash the world. Two O double F O F for in. Fastest things in the world. Yes, in the world. Okay. Now third, cyclists, pedestrians and motorists make different demands dash road design. Make different demands dash road design. Yes, bache. So first answer will be no. What happened to you? You are all are sending me first wrong answer. Cyclist, pedestrian and motoristic make different demands dash road design. Yes, on road design. On road design. Wait. On road design. Yes. Which may lead to conflicts. Some jurisdictions give priority to, yes, priority to motorized traffic, for example, setting up one-way street system, free right turns, high capacity roundabouts and slip roads. Others dash apply traffic. Others dash apply. Must, could, may. What will be the right answer? Others must, could or may. Yes, others may. Others may. Traffic restraint measure to limit the impact dash to on off over. Yes, impact off. Okay, clear beta. Now let's do fourth also. Time is running out, so do it fast. Even dash a computer is a man-made device. Even dash a computer. Even dash a computer. You solve on your own, then I will put a tick mark. By afterwards, I am going to take your doubt. Okay. Even though, yes, even though fourth option is not visible, na? Wait. Even though a computer is a man-made device, it is fast becoming a creature like its creator, the man. Today a computer, yes, computer can effortlessly do most of the. Okay beta, now wish you all the best for your exams. Do lot of practice. Okay, do your paper honestly. Now afterwards I'm going to take your doubts. Two students were raising their hands. Okay, I'm going to take your doubts. Okay, wish you all the best. Do practice of each and every writing skills. Links were shared with you on WhatsApp group. Do watch those videos and do practice of writing skills a lot. Follow all the guidelines that I have discussed with you. Revise all the question answers thoroughly. Okay. And you require a lot of practice in error editing, omission and gap filling. I will be sending you so many assignments for that. You solve them and you have to spend only 10 to 15 minutes daily. Okay. Clear, bache?